when I'm in charge.
When I'm in charge. Only you can make me feel like I'm red wine and firefly. You see me as I'm a super light. That's a lie. Forever and ever, I only know never. We're fabulous, freaking marvelous. I'm crazed out of this, but my life's a mess. Who gives a flip? You're hanging on to this, let's not rush into it. We're good and anonymous. Only you can make me feel like I'm red wine and firefly. You see me as I'm a super light. That's a lie. Forever and ever, I only know never. Forever and ever, I only know never. I was alone last night, missing you by my side. Give it a month of five, the cigarettes and sex is nice. When we are eye to eye, want it to last for life. This is forever.
You make me feel
Like I'm red wine and firefly. You see me as I'm a super light. That's a lie. Forever and ever, I only know never. Forever and ever, I only know never.
say it's obvious you're fed up somehow. Been hesitating, pulling away when all that you're trying to do is ease my mind. Ooh, serves me right for being way up in my head and never let you inside. Ooh, fuck my life, I wanna try to make it better, but I don't know how. 'Cause now I'm thinking, oh my, what if you just let go of me? 'Cause I don't know if you want it or not. Thinking, oh my, what if you just let go of me? 'Cause I don't know if I'm what you want.
I've been here waiting, it feels like ages. All I can think about is where we went wrong. You can be cold sometimes, don't even know you sometimes. Am I the only one who's trying to hold on? Ooh, serves me right for being way up in your space when I should give you some time. Ooh, fuck my life, I wanna try to make it better, but I don't know how.
'Cause now I'm thinking, oh my, what if you just let go of me? 'Cause I don't know if you want it or not. Thinking, oh my, what if you just let go of me? 'Cause I don't know if I'm what you want.
Come on.
So many things I'd like to say to you. If I was only fucking capable to, I wouldn't blame you if you wanted to move on. I'm just thinking, oh my, what if you just let go of me?